On the October 19th episode of Teen Mom OG, Amber tried to repair her relationship with Gary and Kristina in hopes of improving her relationship with Leah. Amber Portwood made huge strides towards repairing her relationship with daughter Leah, 12, during the October 19th episode of Teen Mom OG. After Amber and Leah's awkward reunion just a few weeks ago, Amber made the decision to meet up with ex Gary Shirley and his wife, Kristina, to hash things out. She felt that if her relationship with Gary and Kristina was solid, she'd have a better chance at reconciling with Leah. Gary said he always feels like he's walking on eggshells when he's with Amber, so it wasn't the best meetup. But we can reveal that they didn't argue with each other, even though Amber seemed upset when Gary refused to allow her regular weekly visits with Leah. Amber proposed a regular meetup with her daughter on Wednesdays since she'd already been nearby with her son, James, whom she shares with ex Andrew Glennon. But Gary didn't want to set that up just yet. He said that his and Kristina's feelings are separate from Leah's. So even though they've all made up, it'll take time for Leah to come around. And Amber seemed okay with that. This is progress. Meanwhile, Caitlyn Lowell considered having daughter Nova in the delivery room when she gives birth to her fourth baby. Caitlyn recalled that Maci Bookout had her son, Bentley, in the room during one of her most recently deliveries, so Caitlyn gave her a call to see how it went. Maci said Bentley was okay, but her doctor advised her to have someone in the room who was solely there to support Bentley. But overall, it wasn't a bad experience for them, so Caitlyn said she wanted to try to do the same with Nova. However, due to COVID-19 restrictions, Caitlyn was told it wouldn't be allowed. Caitlyn also revealed that her fourth baby would be her and Tyler Baltira's last. "I'm done after this," she told Maci. And once Maci heard that Tyler would be getting a vasectomy, she told her husband, Taylor McKinney, about it because she, too, wants him to get one. She told Caitlyn that she's also done having kids, but Taylor doesn't seem so set on that decision. Or, as Maci suspected, he's just saying that so he doesn't have to get a vasectomy. He later revealed that he fears it'll be too painful. Later, Zach Davis decided to pursue a real estate license, but Cheyenne Floyd was concerned he won't be able to balance a newborn with a new career. So she and her friends set up some fun activities to test his knowledge on being a dad. And finally, Mackenzie McKee reached out to a parenting coordinator to get tips on how to control her kids. Want more drama? New episodes of Teen Mom OG air Tuesdays at 8 p.m. on MTV.